Hey guys, back here again in the Hollywood Editing Mentor kitchen. This time doing a quick little recipe video for you. I'm gonna show you how I make one of my favorite snacks, an acai bowl. And if you're not familiar with the acai berry, it's a berry full of antioxidants that comes from Central and South America. To me personally, I just enjoy the taste. It's delicious. You can make this bowl and fill it with whatever toppings you'd like. And so I find it very refreshing and it's very healthy. And you know what? You can save yourself $8, $10, $12 because that's what it costs out there. So you know you can just make it at home. It's much cheaper and it's a healthy snack. So again, here I have my acai berries. I buy the frozen pack. You don't need to thaw them or anything overnight. You can just take them out of the freezer, maybe run them under cold water, and they'll loosen up a bit. But I basically just take it out of the freezer, cut it open, and put it in the blender. I have a half a cup of a berry blend. I have bananas here. I like to use them as a topping more than actually put them in the blender. And so I prefer to use it more as a topping, but of course, you can use it however you like. And then of course I have almond milk, that's my liquid. I do a half a cup of almond milk. You can use anything you like, juice. I also have a variety of seeds. I'm a big fan of seeds. I have hemp seeds and chia seeds. I personally like to put these as toppings, and again, not in the blender, because I like the texture, I like that crunch of the seeds. So I prefer to use them as toppings. Seeds, they have a lot of protein and also healthy fats. And so I think it's a great topping. I also have granola. The one thing I'll say about granola is that it can contain a lot of sugar, depending which one you get. It could also have a lot of fat. And it's high in calories. So I use it more as when I want a treat, it's like something like a bonus. And so today I am watching my calorie intake, so I will not be adding granola, but I'm just saying that that's something that you could also put in your acai bowl. So it's a pretty simple process. Take my frozen acai pack, cut it open, just put it in there. Take my container here, I use a NutriBullet. You can certainly use whatever blending apparatus you like or works best for you. Then I'll take my half a cup of frozen berries, put that in as well. And then half a cup of liquid, in my case, almond milk. All right, so we blended everything together. Now I'm gonna add my toppings. And this is where I say, don't get carried away with the toppings. This is, it is a healthy snack, but if you you start putting everything in there or too much of it, it suddenly can become a calorie bomb. All right, so just be mindful of that, especially with like the granola for sure. But I'd like to do, we'll do some chia seeds right now, just to keep it kind of simple today. Throw in a good, healthy tablespoon, And I got my hemp seeds here. Already had this prepared. You don't want to open a brand new pack just yet. The magic of editing. Put that in there. That's great. And half a banana works for me, Just kind of cut it in there. Put it in. Nice and pretty. Oh, yeah. All right. And that's it, good for me. I also sometimes like to add some protein powder. That's something good, to add. If you're into that stuff, I certainly add that. But, to me, the basics, like I said, the acai pack, 1 pack, half a cup of frozen berries, whatever berry mix you like. And I have a cup of almond milk. That's what I like to blend with. And then for toppings, I do half a banana, hemp seeds, chia seeds, and sometimes if I want a treat, I will throw in a serving of granola. But again, just watch it with the toppings. That can quickly make this healthy snack very unhealthy, just like a total calorie bomb. So anyways, that's it. Acai bowl, one of my favorite snacks. I eat it very often. And I'm gonna be doing more of these. Show you kind of more little kind of quick little recipes, things that I do. Show you what I eat. All very simple stuff. Doesn't take too much time. But let me know what you like to eat. What is your favorite snack? Share it in the comments below. Let me know. I always want to hear other ideas. But thanks again for watching. We're gonna definitely, like I said, get more into this stuff here at Hollywood Editing Mentor. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you stay up to date with all the content that's coming out of HollywoodEditingMentor.com. And sign up for the email list, join the community. I just wanna keep growing this community, like I said, and so make sure you join the email list by going over to HollywoodEditingMentor.com. All right, guys, enjoy your snack. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay positive. I'll see you next time.